Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the car. So let's get begin.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to there. I frightened a little mouse under her.
The car is ready. Let's come and color the car together. I take the blue color to color the car.
Contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells.
Friends, are you coloring with me?
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Wow, the car is moving.
Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Oh, the grand old Duke
Friends, let's come and let's write together.
he marched them up to the top of the hill.
If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.